I'm about to show you how to create jaw-dropping typography that looks like it's made of glass, and it's easier than you think. We'll guide you step by step through the process of selecting an image, applying a cutout effect, and integrating eye-catching text to enhance your design. I am Humaira Laique. You must have heard the name of HLGRAPHICS. First, we will take a picture of a glass, and we'll lock it by going to the Layer panel. With the help of the pen tool, we will draw half of this glass. A copy will be taken when half the image is completed. And we'll reverse it. And after combining both copies, go to Pathfinder and click on Unite. Thus a glass image will be exposed. The eraser tool will straighten it. Here we can also create the whole picture with the help of pen tool, and here I have selected black color. You can select any color you want. I have also made a short on glass cutout typography. I will give its link in the description box below.
Glass cutout typography.
We will create outlines of this sentence, then ungroup and spread all the alphabets across the glass. Next, we'll use the selection tool to grab the black glass image. Then, we'll reduce the size of the eraser tool and carefully erase specific areas to create the desired effect. We'll resize each alphabet to fit the available space, adjusting their angles as needed to achieve the perfect layout. Now grab all the objects with the selection tool. And go to the Pathfinder and click on the divide. Ungroup them. And delete all yellow color with Magic Wand tool. In this way, only black color will be left in front of you. Our design is complete. But now we will fill it with colors. I have prepared a color palette. And I will fill it all, then you will see how beautiful the design will look. If you like my work, so please subscribe my channel. And will definitely watch my videos and shorts. Thank you very much for watching the video.